Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a DIY, my very first DIY. So I am going to do the full length lighted vanity mirror. Yes, you guys seen it all over the internet everywhere, and your girl is about to make her own. Y'all thank me later, okay? So let's get right into it. First, I have a plain full-length mirror. Now I got this full-length mirror from TJ Maxx probably like a year ago for $60 on sale, guys. We are going to pair it with these lights. Now I got these lights for $20 on Amazon. I'm going to be putting the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I'm going to be using 2 packs of these to make my full mirror. It comes with 10 lights in each pack, so I'm probably not going to use the full 20, but hey, you never know how crazy I might get. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do when you get them is open them up and make sure that they actually work. So when you open it up, as you can see, I already plugged it in, but it comes apart. Plug this up, and then it has a little on and off switch that you hit, and voila, the lights are beautiful, guys. So we have all of our bulbs out. As you guys can see, the back of the bulbs, they have some type of tape that you can use to stick the bulbs on the mirror so you don't have to worry about how you're going to get the bulbs up there. And they have wires and it wraps around so that way you can control how far apart you want your bulbs. So let's get right into this, guys. Sorry. The length is about 48 inches. So I've decided with this, I am going to do this side 8 inches apart. So every bulb is going to be 8 inches apart. I have my ruler. So we're just going to measure 8 inches from the top, and that's where my first bulb is going to be. And then I'm just going to go 8 inches down this way. So if you have a mirror and you're trying to do it, you can do it however you want. You can eyeball it. You can measure it. Me, you know, I want to be a perfectionist, so I am going to actually measure it. But by all means, do whatever works best for you. We're going to start with the first one here. We're going to remove this here sticky tape. Just look at that. Perfect. You don't need anything. No glue, no nothing. So you have this. You got 8 inches. About right there. Right here. That's where our first one is going to go. Look at that. Look how easy. And it is stuck, guys. Like, good. So we're going to do 8 inches again from this to this, which is about right here. Bottom is done, and these are where the 2 ends are going to meet. These are not attached, but I have them set up so I can see what it's going to look like. But I'm going to attach them down here, and this is where it's going to light up, guys. I cannot wait for y'all to see how magical this is going to be. I'm so excited. Well, now that I have the bottom and the side done, so now I'm pretty much just going to use this side and the top to match. So that way I don't have to do as much measuring. I can just now eyeball, which is going to make it much easier for me. Like I said, you guys can eyeball this whole thing, but me, I'm a perfectionist, and I like to make sure that, you know, it's symmetrical. You don't want to do all this, and then when you're done, it's like, damn, it ain't even right. I hate that. Okay, guys, so since we used 2 sets of bulbs, we actually have 2 plugs, which sucks. I was hoping that it had somewhere where you can connect them. So we're gonna actually have to use two plug outlets, but it's okay because we're gonna have a top of the line vanity. We're gonna plug it in. All you do is just connect them, connect it to, then you hit these.
To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.
This is a $1,000 mirror online, okay? We just made this for $100. The mirror was $60 and the lights was $40. $100 and you have $1,000 quality vanity mirror, full length. Who got that?
I'm too fly.